The best Traxxas RC crawlers deliver unmatched performance and durability for off-road enthusiasts. Featuring robust designs and high-torque motors, these crawlers excel in challenging terrains, from rocky paths to rugged trails. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best Traxxas RC crawlers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which toys and games topic you'd like to see in our next videos. The Traxxas TRX4 Sport High Trail Edition stands out as a leading choice among RC crawlers, known for its exceptional off-road performance and striking design. This model is engineered to tackle the toughest terrains with ease, thanks to its factory-installed long-arm lift kit, which boosts ground clearance by over an inch compared to the standard TRX4 Sport. This upgrade significantly enhances the vehicle's ability to navigate obstacles and rough trails. Equipped with high-angle bumpers and fully locked axles, the TRX4 Sports High Trail Edition offers unparalleled climbing versatility. The inclusion of oversized Canyon trail tires mounted on 2.2-inch black 5-spoke wheels provides superior all-terrain traction, ensuring that even the most technical trails are manageable. A notable feature of the High Trail Edition is its innovative clipless body mounting system. This design integrates clean, flowing lines with secure latching convenience, keeping the body firmly in place during intense driving. The hidden latches offer quick and easy access to the chassis, streamlining maintenance and modifications. Additionally, the TRX4 Sports High Trail Edition is fully equipped with a range of scale accessories, including a rugged expedition rack, a replica snorkel, side mirrors, traction boards, a fire extinguisher, a jack, and fuel canisters. The Traxxas TRX4 Chevrolet K5 Blazer is a top contender among RC crawlers, ranking as the 4th best in its category. This 1/10 scale 4x4 trail truck is perfectly suited for diverse and demanding terrains, offering an exhilarating combination of performance and durability. Its T-lock differentials and high-low transmission provide versatility, allowing the vehicle to handle everything from high-flying jumps to intricate technical obstacles with ease. Ideal for adventure enthusiasts, the TRX4 K5 Blazer excels in beachside environments where steep climbs and long, flat stretches are the norm. The truck's portal axles enhance ground clearance, ensuring that it can tackle challenging landscapes without compromising stability. Its waterproof electronics guarantee reliable operation in various conditions, adding to its robustness. The TRX4 series is celebrated for its detailed replication of iconic off-road vehicles, paired with modern functionality. The Blazer comes fully assembled and ready to drive, featuring a TQI 2.4 GHz 4-channel radio system, XL5 HV speed control, and a meticulously painted body. Its remote locking differentials and high-low 2-speed transmission make it adaptable to any adventure, whether on rugged trails or smooth expanses. The Crawler Paradise video vividly showcases the Blazer's impressive capabilities, making it a standout choice for RC enthusiasts seeking a versatile and reliable trail truck. The Traxxas TRX6 Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6 is an elite RC crawler, recognized for its unparalleled off-road performance and detailed craftsmanship. Emulating the bold Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6, this model is built on the advanced TRX6 platform, designed to excel in challenging terrains with its 6 drive wheels, 3 T-lock remote locking differentials, and portal axles. The inclusion of a high-low transmission further enhances its capability, allowing users to switch between high-speed travel and low-range torque with ease. The TRX6 boasts 6 aluminum long-travel shocks that ensure optimal suspension performance, while the scale replica body, adorned with precise LED lighting, adds to its visual appeal. Remote locking differentials allow for quick adjustments directly from the transmitter, eliminating the need for manual interventions and ensuring continuous action. The portal axles contribute additional ground clearance, enabling the crawler to navigate over obstacles that other models might struggle with. Equipped with waterproof micro, servos, and cables, the TRX-6 is engineered for reliability in diverse conditions. It features factory-installed LED lighting, large 2.2-inch wheels, and a high-torque Titan 550 21T motor driven by the Traxxas XL5 HV3S ESC. The model supports LiPo, NiCad, and NiMH batteries, enhancing its flexibility. The Traxxas TRX-6 is a premium choice for RC enthusiasts, offering both exceptional durability and superior adventure performance. The Traxxas TRX-4 Ford Bronco stands out as a premier choice among RC crawlers, renowned for its exceptional off-road capabilities. Its design integrates numerous advanced features, including high-clearance portal axles, remote-operated T-lock differentials, a high-low 2-speed transmission, aluminum GTS shocks, and a durable steel ladder frame. These components work in harmony to provide an unparalleled crawling experience. The high-clearance portal axles are a notable feature, elevating the Bronco's ground clearance at the wheels. This design approach allows the TRX-4 Bronco to achieve significant ground clearance without the need for oversized tires, which would be required for similar clearance with traditional straight axles. This means that the TRX-4 Bronco can tackle rough terrain more effectively, with better clearance to avoid obstacles. Moreover, the portal axles address the common issue of torque twist, a phenomenon where the vehicle's power causes it to twist and potentially lose traction. By incorporating gear reduction at the wheels, the TRX-4 minimizes torque twists, ensuring that the power generated by the Titan 550 motor is efficiently translated into forward motion. This design feature enhances the vehicle's stability and traction, allowing it to navigate challenging environments with greater precision and control. The combination of these advanced features make the Traxxas TRX-4 Ford Bronco a top choice for serious RC crawling enthusiasts. The Traxxas TRX-4 Chevrolet K10 High Trail Edition redefines RC crawling with its exceptional design and performance features. This model boasts a factory-installed long-arm lift kit, elevating the K10 by over an inch compared to standard TRX-4 versions. Coupled with 2.2-inch mag wheels and Canyon trail tires, the High Trail Edition delivers unparalleled ground clearance and the ability to tackle the most demanding trails with ease. The K10's extended 13-inch wheelbase enhances stability and ensures a smoother, more controlled ride across rough terrain. This extension perfectly captures the pickup's real-world proportions, making it not only a high-performance vehicle but also a true-to-life replica. Additionally, the TRX-4 High Trail Edition introduces a clipless body mounting system that maintains the model's sleek, realistic appearance while offering quick access to the chassis. By removing traditional body clips, this system adds convenience and maintains clean lines, enhancing both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Overall, the Traxxas TRX-4 Chevrolet K10 High Trail Edition merges extreme off-road capability with striking scale accuracy and robust Traxxas tough durability, making it the ultimate choice for those seeking top-tier performance and style in their RC adventures. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.